In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon wishlist on Facebook, whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just to share things you like. This process is straightforward and can be done on both your desktop and mobile device. So, let's get started and take a step-by-step look at how to share your wishlist with your Facebook friends effectively. First things first, you'll want to log into your Amazon account. You can do this on either your desktop or mobile device, whichever is more convenient for you at the moment. Once you're logged in, your next step will be to navigate to your wish lists. If you're doing this on a desktop, you'll need to hover over the Account and Lists menu at the top of the page and then click on Your Lists. If you're on a mobile device, it's just a bit different. You'll go into the menu where you can find Your Lists, or sometimes it might be under Your Stuff, followed by Lists. Now that you've reached your lists, select the particular wish list that you want to share. Keep in mind, you might have more than one, so make sure you're selecting the correct one that you wish to share. Once you have your list open, look for the option to share it. On a desktop, you'll find this near the top of the list as an invite button or perhaps a send list to others link. Tapping on the invite or share button gives you a few options. Here, you can set permissions for your list. You can decide whether the people you share it with can only view it or if they can view and edit it as well. Give some thought to what level of access you're comfortable with before proceeding. Once you've set the permissions, the next thing you'll want to do is copy the shareable link. Simply find the option, usually labeled something like Copy Link, and make sure to click that. Before moving on, double-check the list's privacy settings to ensure it's set so people with the link can view it. It shouldn't be private. Now that you have the link copied, it's time to head over to Facebook. Open up Facebook, whether it's on the web or the app, and start creating a new post or status update. In the text field, go ahead and paste the link you just copied from your Amazon wish list. Feel free to add any additional message or caption to your post. Maybe something catchy like, "Here's my Amazon wish list." You can also use a fun emoji to add a personal touch. Finally, decide on your audience. You can post the link publicly or share it specifically with friends or a select group, depending on how you want to control who sees it. Once you hit post or share, those who click on the link will be able to view your wish list, of course, depending on the permissions you've set. And that's it. Sharing your Amazon wishlist on Facebook is that simple. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.